This space embodies Japandi principles, achieving a serene balance through clean lines and natural materials. We utilize large-format sand-toned porcelain and matte oak to create an airy, light-filled sanctuary. The integration of soft minimalism introduces warmth via organic textures and diffused lighting. This careful blend elevates the routine into a meditative, luxurious experience. This Japandi ensuite embodies soft minimalism through careful symmetry and natural materials. We see a calming palette of matte light oak against sand-toned porcelain, centered around serene floating vanities. The design emphasizes vertical rhythm and tactile details, from the smooth ceramic finishes to thick folded linens. It's a sanctuary where diffused light enhances every organic imperfection. The Scandinavian organic aesthetic brings a sense of airy serenity into the wash space. We see this through soft natural light illuminating matte light oak against expansive sand-toned porcelain tiles. This approach emphasizes natural materials and clean architectural lines, resulting in a tranquil sanctuary that feels both minimal and richly textured. Embrace the quiet luxury of soft modernism with a powder room inspired by Japandi aesthetics. The focus here is on creating an oasis of tranquility through neutral tones, matte oak, and large format sand porcelain tiles. These spaces use subtle light diffusion, and organic ceramic accents to heighten materiality. The result is a serene environment that feels both perfectly minimalist and deeply restful. Biophilic minimalism masterfully integrates nature into modern living spaces, creating profound serenity. By pairing warm, tactile materials like light oak with organic greenery, designers foster an immediate connection to the outdoors. This approach emphasizes soft, natural light and clean, axial alignments, making every room feel restorative and deeply peaceful. It is design that nourishes both the eye and the soul. Embrace contemporary serenity by pairing light oak cabinetry with large format sand porcelain tiles. This natural material interplay establishes a calm, spa-like atmosphere throughout the space. The genius lies in the axial composition and careful use of diffused side lighting. These elements highlight the subtle grain texture and create a sense of sophisticated, balanced tranquility.